Alright, bye. Okay. Should we start this vlog? Hey lovers, welcome to my channel. I gotta tell you something I could do. Guys, I'm getting ready to go on a live, right? But I wanted to share something with you. So now I think I want to move from this complex. Like, the people are just so rude and inconsiderate. So there's this girl, she posted on the group that she does lashes and she does nails. Obviously my nails I do specifically at a specific person, and I was going to consider going to her, right? I welcome you to the channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. If you have not subscribed, please do hit on the subscribe button below. Hit like, comment and share, and welcome to Giver N's channel. If you're an oldie, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate your love and support. And if you're new, welcome, and I hope you're going to love becoming a love bag and part of the love bag again. Anywho, let's get to the story before I go to my... I am on a group. And if you haven't watched my previous vlog, in my previous vlog I explained that we've got a group and there's just a couple of rude people in there that just say things with their tongues that are just so uncalled for. So yes, last night, this chick, this lady, let me not say chick, that is very rude of me as well. This lady posts on her, posts on the group that she is running a small little business at home in the complex of doing nails and doing eyelashes. I don't have an eyelash tech. I've been struggling to find somebody that I can rely on that is doing a good job, etc, etc, right? If you know anybody, please plug me down below. Anywho, besides the point. So she plugs us with her business and she says that yeah, she does the nails, she does the eyelashes. So red flag number one, her eyelashes are 150 rand. Why? Red flag number one. Number two, I hit her up and I'm like, girl, if you're available today, please can you come and can I come to do my lashes? At first I thought she was going to say, oh no, I do house calls because we're in the same complex, but she was like, yeah, I'm at Units Banbani, you can come through. So I'm like, okay, fine, I'll come through. And then it didn't work out yesterday. Today we were supposed to meet. I asked her, girl, are you available? And she's like, then she doesn't answer me. Yeah, she didn't answer me. And then I called her. I think I missed it. It's red flag number two. I called her. When I called her, she hung up on me. Okay. And then after about 20-30 minutes, she then sends me a text saying, I'm busy with a customer, I'll call you, or I'll get back to you within 20 minutes. Okay, I understood, no problem. Number three, she then comes back to me to say, be here at 3 o'clock. Can you hear the tone? Be here at 3 o'clock. And I'm like, cool, I'll be there at 3 o'clock. Then I'm getting ready, I'm busy cleaning in the house because I was working from home. Busy cleaning in the house, you know, getting stuff ready, getting bathed and whatever. And somewhere 10 to 3 I'm ready to go, because I don't want to get lost and then get there late. Then she sends a text and she's like, I'm still busy with a customer, be here at 4 o'clock. Red flag number four. No, the ultimate break it for me was point number four. Then I tell her, I'm not going to be able to make it at 3 o'clock. I need to go and fetch my son. I've got things to do, which was obviously this live. So let's just rather do tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning. She's like, oh, okay, no problem. Let's do tomorrow morning. Then we agree 9 a.m. I can come through. 9 a.m. sharp, we agree sharp. Bye, see you tomorrow, cool. And don't be late is her last message. Big L. Big L for loser. She finished me. She finished my soul. She finished my... if you don't watch my lives are about women evolve. The subject of my series is called Women Evolve. This is a black female that I am trying to support her small business, right? And she's telling me, her customer, don't be late. Make sure that you're not late. I basically sent her a message and I was like, okay, I did not expect that. That I would be receiving that kind of a message from you as a supplier or a service provider, sorry, telling your customer that I must not be late. The gall, the audacity. And I said, don't you think it's a little bit rude that you are saying that to your customer? Let me see what she said. She just sent me a message talking about, I'm not trying to be rude if it sounded that way. I had another customer and she cancelled on me, so I'm just setting the record straight. Am I that customer? Son. Anywho, guys. Women evolve. So I'm just going to look at that message, remove it from my positive energy, and go onto this live with positivity and influence or try to influence other women to just like evolve in the way you speak, do things with grace, do things with kindness, do things with class. I'll see you guys a little bit later after my live. And if you're not following my lives or you're not joining on the lives, please can I ask you to do that. What we're doing is we're trying to build our watch time hours, because I'm about to expire, my hours are about to expire, and I've worked hard, so hard, and if I don't get those hours I won't get monetized. So if you guys can really help out the channel by going onto the live and helping a sister out and the Love Bug gang out, please come onto the lives if you can, if you've got the time. If you don't, please go and watch the actual episode at a later stage. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog, guys. So this is a weekend vlog. I think I'm going to be doing a lot of maintenance in this vlog, hence I need to go do my nails, hence the conversation with Miss Butterflies. And what else do I need to do? I don't know if I want to do my hair as well, but I need to do my toenails. They're looking very wrong. And yeah, and I've just some resetting as well, because I've been going through the most this week, but story for another day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I love you guys.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, 'cause you're always just stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out.
Morning, love bugs. It's Saturday morning. I'm quickly going to do my lashes. I haven't even had coffee or tea or anything to drink, or my lemon water, nothing. I'm rushing to go to this girl who told me, my auntie, my mother, who told me, don't be late. Don't you be late for your appointment. I'm going there. And she does nonsense, ne? Get them sharp, because you don't say that to customers. I'm still taken aback. But anyway, I will see you when I get back. When I get back, I want to go to the shops quickly, and then yeah, we'll talk afterwards. Guys, who else is like over these ads? It's all these political parties. Is it just me, or am I like just over just being in this country right now with these damn elections? Because I know that time you can't even see me. What kind of a vlogger am I? Is it just me? Because I've told myself that and then what? And then we vote, and then what? Are they gonna go the yo gusto tu ubaka? Okay, so I'm going to, we're taking our son to a bird sanctuary to go view birds. Parenting has taken the ducky in me out, because like, who takes a child to go look at birds? So guys, I've been feeling a little bit down and under. Like I said, this is for physical energy, mental alertness, assists with metabolism, fights fatigue, drowsiness. I've been feeling tired, okay, for the past couple of days. Don't judge. I know this stuff is it's not the greatest if you take a lot of it, but once in a while, I don't think it's going to give me a heart attack, right? Okay. If you know, you know. You got a toddler, you got a teenager, you need to take things. You need to take things in order to survive. So guys, let's do that. Let's go and take my son out for whatever, for his little outing. And then we'll probably go out for lunch or a quick bite to eat. Then I shall talk to you guys a little bit later. Okay, what kind of chips do you want, sweetheart?
This one? No.
That one?
That's this one.
Those are
I
prawns.
had a dream last night. Did everything I ever do in
Okay.
real life.
I know you want your fish, right?
Told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say to everybody who went with whatever I want.
Say hi, guys.
Dressed in the gown,
Welcome to the
everybody's
channel.
like, why wait? Going nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I am even more. Picking the plate, playing the plate, she is on a roll, yeah. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truth.
Where's the these ones?
Getting away, she's not here to play, she'll get moody.
Like fish and...
But don't mistake this girl
Okay,
for
sweetie.
being me. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
Mama, how much cheese?
'Cause
Kids
these
platter
are
for one.
dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is on a roll. She is on a roll. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy.
Guys, we're home.
Let my guard down.
We are home. Sure. Let me quickly unbox or do a haul with you. And then I'm closing the vlog off for today. So very live. Very live. I couldn't resist these flowers from Woolies. They are originally 134, but I got them for 99 Rand. Plug of note. So my little malomo, mankaluna, I live life. So your house can be, you know, filled with life. That I got from. Then obviously I got my bread. This bread tastes like so homely. It tastes like homemade bread. Do you know what I mean? Just milk for the week. I'm not gonna buy any groceries because it is Mambara week, so this is just a refill, a small refill of for this week until we get paint. And then I got myself my plain yogurt for my breakfast. I also got grapes for Ria, for my son. He loves these seedless grapes and nobody touches them except for him because he's the boss, he's the man. He's the man of the grapes. And for a sweet treat, we got these blueberry muffins. If you guys have been on my channel, you have seen that these in this house are a fave, okay? They're a fave. Then, what's a grocery haul without bananas? We got bananas, obviously, for a couple of days. And then, I want to complain. So obviously it's winter now. 75 rand, guys. 75 rand for these what are they called? Clement gold. But anyway, the clementine, it's a clement gold. It's a 75 rand. This is gonna be the death of us, but because we love the quality, right? We love the quality. And I was so upset. I went and bought a new bag because I have bags in my car. Why I don't do that, I don't know. Like, didn't time. I don't even think that my mom. Anyway, let me stop complaining, guys. So today is the 25th of May, right? It's a Saturday. Guess who I convinced to start going live? Guess who I convinced to start going live? Casey Madai. 6 o'clock she's going live, then I'm going live at 7 o'clock. So I just want to get the stuff sorted out and then chill and watch my girls go live because we want watch time hours. Yeah, let me arrange my flowers. Let me put everything away, arrange my flowers, and then come and say goodbye to you guys because it's dark now. I don't like vlogging in this dark. Can you guys even see me? I wonder. I think you can't even see me, but anyway, let me get everything sorted and then we'll chat.
Small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
So ladies and gentlemen and love bugs and fam, I'm going to close the vlog off here. I hope you really enjoyed watching this vlog, spending a couple of days with me, and I hope that if you haven't subscribed, you will consider subscribing on this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. I thank you so much for the undivided support, and for those of you who are always coming back, I see you guys and it means so much to me. I am heading over to YouTube now to go and watch a couple of lives, and then I'm going to go live at 7. It's currently 6 minutes past 6, and I told Casey that I'm going to, like, I was pressurizing her to go live, and now I'm not live. Like, what's wrong with me? She's live.
How am I going to go live? You know, just plan it out and plan the topics for the whole month if I can, right? So, hi, okay, so thank you so much for joining. How are you, girl? So, I was like, okay, let's see what we could do. But like,
I'm so proud of her.
Right now, I'm so scared. And they were like,
I'm so proud of her.
Today. And Kiba was even like, you know what, I usually go live at 6. Let me give you 6 and I'll go live at 7. So I was like, what? But I didn't want to chicken out. So basically, I had a hectic day. I had so many things to do, but I could not.
Guys, I need to participate. I need to participate and support my friend. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are grand and you're awesome and you have a blessed week ahead. And thank you for watching. Mwah, my darlings. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to say hi, comment, a smiley face, an emoji, anything, guys, just to support. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. Bye.